Hello students of standard 3rd. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy at your home and enjoying your studies. Day Mall Public School welcomes you all in E-class. Myself, Renuka Sachewar, your English teacher. So, everybody understood our today's topic? Yes, to see this picture and guess it. What is our topic now? What is our today's topic? Yes, our today's topic is Dolphins. This is part 1. Dolphins. This chapter is taken from your English reader, unit number 1, Animal World. Unit number 1, Animal World. So, this is the name of the lesson, Dolphins. Today we are going to learn about dolphins. Do you have any idea about dolphin? Yes. Before to start the lesson, I would like to ask some questions to you. Okay, so tell me. There are many animals which are peaceful and friendly, but we usually do not keep them as a pets. Can you please tell me their names? Anyone? Yes. Okay. So there are so many animals which are very peaceful and friendly, but we usually do not keep them as pets. Okay. So among them, this is one of the animal which is very peaceful and friendly, but we cannot keep them as pets at a home. Okay, these animals are very good. These animals are very good and friends. Okay, now you are thinking why I am calling it animal. It is a fish. You are thinking, na? Okay, no, my dear. So we generally confuse a dolphin with a fish. Dolphin and with a fish. So I am going to tell you that dolphin is not a fish. Dolphin is not a fish. They are very friendly creature, but dolphin is not a fish. It is a mammal. It is a mammal. Dolphins are mammals. Now you are going to ask me what is mammal. So if an animal drinks its mother's milk, okay, if an animal drinks its mother's milk when it is young, has hair or fur, and it's warm blooded, it is a mammal. For example, whales, dolphins, even human beings are also called mammals. Okay, so today we are going to learn something about dolphins. Dolphins are very peaceful and friendly creature. They are very peaceful and very friendly. So let's start our lesson. Okay, people have liked dolphins for thousands of years. People have liked dolphins for thousands of years. Dolphins seem to like us too. What does a dolphin feel like? It is like a wet rubber. It is feel like a wet rubber. So from the thousands of years, because this animal, this is water animal. Okay, this is mammal, water animal. We can call it water animal. So it is very friendly and very peaceful creature. Very friendly and very peaceful creature. They do not harm anyone. They do not harm anyone, but it doesn't mean that they do not get angry. They also get angry when somebody disturbs them. Okay, but generally they are not harm to anyone. So people have liked dolphins from thousands of years, and dolphins seems to like us too. So what does a dolphin feel like? A dolphin feel like a wet rubber. Dolphins spend their whole life in water. Dolphins spend their whole life in water, but they are not fish. Yes, they are living in water, but we cannot call them fish. They are mammal. They are mammal. They are not fish. Fish can breathe in water, but dolphins breathe through a hole on top of their head. Right? See. see in this picture, dolphins spend their whole life in water, but they are not a fish, and fish can breathe in water. Okay, but dolphins breathe through a hole on top of their head. There is a hole on top of their head, but through this hole they are breathing. Okay, so what do dolphins eat now? Dolphin eats fish. Dolphin eats fish, and they are good at catching them. They are good at catching them. Dolphins live in groups so that they can help each other. They always like to live in a group. They cannot live in a single. Okay, they always living in a group, so they can help them each other. If a killer shark comes by, the dolphins circle around it and scare it away. They protest them. They protest them. Now, this is your first part. So, some information which I have given to you now. These all are given in this first part. Okay, rest of the part we will see in our next class. Okay, about we will learn some more information in our next part. Okay, so what we have learned today about dolphin, that dolphin is a very peaceful and friendly creature. They do not harm anyone. And dolphin, it is not a fish, they are mammal. They are mammal. Dolphins spend their whole life in water. And how does a dolphin feel like? A dolphin feel like a wet rubber. Okay, and dolphins spend their whole life in water, but they are not fish. And how they are breathing? They are breathing through a hole on top of their head. And what does dolphin eat? Dolphin eats fish, and they are good at catching them, right? And dolphins like to live in a group always, because so that they can help each other. So the next part of this lesson we will see in its next part. Okay, so let's see what is the next. This is your assignment. Okay, whatever you have learned in this part, you will write as in your assignment. Write few lines about dolphins in your own words. So children, everybody listen this video carefully and understand this topic and write your assignment. Write few lines about dolphins in your own words. Whatever you have learned from this video, you just recapitulate all the information, collect all the information and write your assignment. Write few lines about dolphins in your own words. We will see you in our next class. Till then, bye bye. Thank you and have a nice day.